I am Brad Biznett with Cole Publishing, and I am here with Mark from Vac-Con. Mark, I love me some Vac-Con, but I've never seen a CXT before. Tell me a little bit about this truck.
Let me tell you a little bit about the truck. Okay, basically, the CXT is set up mainly for contractors or municipalities. This one is set up very simple. It's basically set up as 1,000 gallons of water and 12 yards of debris. Freightliner 114 cab, 370 horse, 66,000 GVW truck.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the control panel here.
So the control panel, as you can see, is very simple to operate. With the design of the drive system, what we've done is eliminated blower idle time, which really heats up your blowers. So you engage the transfer case that's hydrostatically driven, but the blower's not turning like a direct drive traditional truck. So basically, the blower won't turn until you engage either your water or your vacuum to turn the blower on. So when you're picking up the job, walking around the truck, in your idle time, the blower's not sitting there generating heat and destroying the blower.
Keeps
so
it cool.
Extends the life of the blower.
Yeah, perfect.
Same thing with the water. Independent control here. We hydrostatically drive the water pump off the front PTO.
Okay.
Turning, like I said, but the water pump's not turning until you actually stroke in the water pump or the vacuum here.
Okay.
Okay? And just simple throttle controls here, boom controls, up, down, in, out, left, right, and of course the emergency stop button.
Okay.
And that's it for the side control panels.
Talk to me about that. Yeah, right there.
So this remote, this is the remote control, needs no batteries. It actually attaches to the dash via magnet and charges the controller, and also turns the controller off. So when you stick it to the dashboard, it turns the controller off and charges it.
Okay.
Pull it out, hit 2 buttons, turns it back on.
Okay.
All your functions, vacuum breaker doors, throttle up, down, all your boom functions, up, down, left, and right. Even dumping the debris tank is done by the remote control.
That's excellent. So it's super user-friendly, and speaking of user-friendly, you said everything is very accessible.
Very accessible. So if you take a look here, we like the accessibility design of the truck. For example, you pull this bar off, this is detachable. You can get to all your water pump components. You can pull the head off the water pump, get to any of your relief valves and loader. Your strainer, everything's right here in one spot, easy to get to. Same for the blower. Most blowers are located in the center of the truck and they're direct driven by a transfer case. This blower, we can locate it anywhere we want because it's hydrostatically driven.
Okay.
So it's on the side of the truck. The operator can easily check the fluid levels without having to crawl underneath the truck. And once again, I'm going to keep saying it because it's important, is when we engage the transfer case, the blower's not turning until we tell it to.
Sure.
It's a big deal.
Okay.
Water tanks, you got 4 underneath and you got 4 up top, 2 on each side. So it's a total of 1,000 gallons of water. Okay. 12 yards of debris. Okay.
And this has the CXT has the PowerFlex boom, right?
Yeah, this is very unique. So you see the CXT boom here.
Sure.
So this extends 8 feet. So it's a 28-foot boom, total length. Rotates 270 degrees. The PowerFlex boom gives you that little bit of extra reach. So when you're in that job and you're already set up and you can't quite get to what you're doing, you can PowerFlex that boom out, start over, and actually rake your vacuum in.
Awesome. Okay. Mark, where can somebody go for more information?
Just go to Vac-Con.com and you'll see our full line of hydro excavators. Look for the CXT is what this machine is here. So
awesome.
Look for the CXT.
Thank you very much, Mark.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.